Hi, checking in from the trail. I think that's the lake that I came here for, but I'm not quite sure. There's a peak. And so sometimes when you look up trails online, you're not really sure what you're gonna get. My mission is always to find a place to get some dope drone footage. So that's what we're trying to do. Busy trail, kind of always comment about the people because it affects this, pushing record, vlog, show my experience of being out and about. It's just a little bit awkward, as you would imagine, having people observe me record myself. I think there's different categories of hikers. Folks who probably observe me would put me under the Instagram hiker and the fast hiker. A little impromptu trail that I discovered here. Got to the lake, had my snack, evaluated the scene, and found a place I wanted to go fly the drone. So I'm marching my way up there. You definitely can see the haze in the sky from the fires here. Final thoughts on today's hike. Today wasn't really about going to a peak and discussing my physical demand and the mental demand that it takes to get to the top. Today was just more about getting out, going on the hike, enjoying the beautiful scenery here in Colorado. My good buddy Blake told me this week to just keep on climbing. I knew exactly what he meant. I appreciate that, Blake. I'm gonna keep on climbing. I'm gonna keep moving forward. Thanks for being a part of this creative outlet that these videos are. But anytime I can do it, I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna enjoy it and I'm gonna push record. So I'll see you next time. Deuces.